Hi, my name is Allie and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe. And today is the best day that you could have ever clicked on a video because it is Christmas. Strong paper. I thought it was out of stock. The next part of the video is really exciting, and there's a lot of wrapping paper noise, and I'm leaving it in for the full effect because it's exciting. I'm gonna need some help. It's taking a while.
The anticipation builds.
Did you wrap this?
The male people wrap.
Not going well.
Once we get to the other side.
You're right. Oh my god. I got one? What the heck? How can I open it? Oh my gosh. Will it turn on right now?
I don't know. I'm not sure if battery's in.
No, it needs a battery. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Look. Did you open that before it got here?
Maybe.
Oh. You taped it like that? Why did you tape them so weird? Oh my god. And a new one of these now. And a card. Okay, this is so crazy to like look at with it like that. Hey buddy.
Yeah. So all you have to do is
Okay, hold on.
open it up. So having that.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
So I want to start out saying that I'm super duper grateful for everything that I got, and to remember the true meaning of Christmas, and it's all about giving, not receiving, and making people happy, and that's the best feeling. The best feeling is giving other people happiness. It's just like a great feeling, and to remember that Christmas is the birth of Jesus, not about getting presents. So thank you to my parents and my sister for all the presents that I've got, and yeah, I'm super grateful, and here we go. Alright, so first off, I got a little beanie cap thing, and it's really super cute. It is from Etsy. Next up, I got this little hat with my initials on it. Alright, and then in my stocking, of course, I got some socks, because everyone just needs socks. I got a scrunchie. This one's like black or like navy blue, and it's kind of like felt. Next, I got a new pair of Adidas soccer pants. These are my favorite pants like ever, and I wear them so much that I wanted another pair because they're starting to like rip, and they're just awesome pants. So next I got some jewelry, and I got a few things. A little locket. It's not gonna focus. I don't know how to focus it yet. There we go. It's a little locket, and it has a picture of my dog Dasher inside. I don't know why. I can't get it to focus. So it just has a little picture of my dog inside, and I think he's just really cute. Whoa! That looks so cool. And the next piece of jewelry that I got is this little ring, and it says, I am having massive amounts of trouble getting this to focus. Okay, but it's just this little ring, and it pretty much just says, adventure awaits. It's really cute. And also I got a necklace that I'm already wearing. It's just a blue little necklace. It's really nice. And then also, I got this little key ring, and it just says, find your adventure, which is my little catchphrase that I like to say. So that was super awesome. Next up, I got this jacket that I actually bought for myself, but it's this little like Sherpa type jacket, and it's really soft inside. and it's just this really pretty color, and I like my denim jacket like this and I wear it all the time, so just got another one. Okay, next I got this little chapstick holder thing in my stocking. Also in my stocking I got this little calendar, like desk calendar thing, and every day it has like a little quote. So it's really cute. And then I got these fuzzy slipper things. They're from Marley Lily, and they're just like really sharp. Next thing I got is just a little Visa gift card. I can use it on anything, so it's pretty nice. Also, I got some candy, but I already ate it, but it was the M&M chocolate bar, and it was very good. Next, we got like a family gift, and this one is called Exploding Kittens. I'm not really sure what that is, but apparently it's like some kind of card game. So we got that. Also, in my stocking, I got this little like key finder thing. It's pretty cool. Put that on my keys so I don't lose them. And finally, the big gift that I got this Christmas, as you can probably tell by the quality of this video. Where's the box? I got a camera. So I got a Canon G7X Mark II, which has been the camera I've wanted since I've started making these videos, so that I can just have better quality. And it's just, I don't know, I'm just so excited because I always run out of storage on my phone because I've been filming on my iPhone. So now I have a camera, it's super exciting, and I'm just so excited.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.
Oh my gosh, look at my tail.
You ever seen a reindeer do back here?
Merry Christmas, everyone. Okay, like it looks so good, like the lighting. Oh my god, it's incredible. Okay, it's recording. So I don't really know why I filmed my whole Christmas haul thing before the day was over, but I went to my grandparents and I got a few more things. So first off, I got this little Starbucks reusable cup with this cute little candy cane reusable straw, and it's really fun to go like this. Doing that for like 5 minutes. So I got that. Also, I got these really cute little Snoopy Peanuts Christmas pants, little pajamas. They are super soft and they're really cute. Then I got some more candy. Kit Kats are the best. Got this little necklace. I really want to get some more face wash stuff, so I got this like clean and clear morning face wash stuff. I don't know, try it out. And then I use these like every day, just like the little basic clear seal little wipes. I got a pack of hair ties because those are always really helpful. More chocolate, like literally so much candy. Then I got these little hand sanitizers. I get them like every year. I got Magic in the Air and Peach Bellini, and then I got one other one. It's like Beautiful Day. I already put it in my car. And then I got these two little Audi cup holder ring things. Put this in my car too. Somehow I forgot to mention that I got this cute little giraffe onesie. So here it is, and I'm in love with it. And then the last two things kind of go with my big present from my grandparents. So I got this little laundry bag. It's like for like traveling, and you like unroll it, and it, like it's a big bag to put your laundry in. And then I got these two little luggage tags, which is the hint to my big present. So I got some suitcases over here, and as you probably can tell from my other videos, I do like to travel. So having some suitcases is going to be really helpful. I can already see you. Oh my god, show that. That is really cute.
It is.
Anyways, you made it all balanced. So I got 2 suitcases. This one is a smaller one and it has like this cute little pattern on it. And then I got this bigger one and it's just the color from the pattern and they matched, so that's really cool.
A few moments later.
Dad, don't make any loud noises, I'm recording. And that's the end of my part 2 of my haul. And I don't know why. Kelly, stop laughing at me. I already filmed part 1. It's gonna be one video, but like I filmed our part and then I forgot that we were going to Grand.
Yeah.
So there's part 2. On with the rest of the video. Ow. Just trying to roll it. Okay, just kidding. I have one more thing. I got these really cute Adidas shoes. I forgot that in the rest of the haul, so.
Can you just put that in?
Yeah. Bye. Thank you for spending Christmas Day with me. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching my first video on my new camera. I am so excited and grateful that I got this for Christmas. And make sure, if you liked the video, to click the subscribe button and leave a comment below what your favorite part about Christmas is. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace outie.